Hello class, in the previous lesson we looked at the first example of renewable energy, which was wind energy. So let us look at the second example, which is hydroelectric power. Hydroelectric energy. As the name suggests, hydro, this is energy produced from running water across rivers. So ask yourself another question. How do we produce hydroelectric power? How do we generate this power? Usually, a dam is constructed along the river, and the importance of this dam is to store water and create a reservoir or control the flow of the river. Then, this water is let to flow over a steep gradient through a penstock. As it flows on a steep gradient through a penstock, it hits a turbine, and the blades of the turbine will begin spinning. The rotation of the blades of the turbine causes the turbine to turn electric generator that produces electricity. Apply what we have explained on this illustration. This is a dam constructed across the river, and after construction of the dam there is a reservoir behind the dam which creates something like a lake. Then there is a gate where water is flowing on a steep gradient through a penstock. This water hits the turbine at the foot of this steep cliff. Then when this turbine is hit by this strong water, the blades of the turbine will rotate, and this will make the generator in the powerhouse to produce electricity, which is distributed through power lines to the villages, to the nearby town, industries, etc. Another question. What are the factors that favor the development of hydroelectric power? These factors can be called conditions. These conditions are both physical and human. Let's begin with physical conditions that favor the development of hydroelectric power station, for example, site. Number one, presence of a seismically sensitive area. The area where this power station is going to be constructed or to develop should be free from seismic activities, because these may result into earthquakes and destroy the site or the dam. There should be high quantity of water supplied by a strong river or rainfall. This will lead to easy rotation of the turbines. Then great altitude with steep gradient, with steep slope to enhance water velocity. Existence of rapids and falls to favor the development of power by increasing the velocity of the stream, of the river, which means the river gradient should be steep. Narrow, steep-sided valley to facilitate dam construction, which means the river width should be narrow. From one bank of the river to another, the distance should be short to allow easy, quick, and cheap construction. Existence of enough space for water reservoir. Behind the dam, there should be enough space where this water will collect to form a man-made lake behind the dam. The existence of enough space, we have already talked of this. Then economic conditions. Economic conditions, apart from physical conditions, we also have economic conditions. Market. There should be large market for produced electricity. Huge capital to pay labor and buy materials. High levels of technology such that a good quality dam is constructed, and transport facilities should be better because this will allow easy transportation of labor, easy transportation of materials to use, etc. Thank you.